Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you to show you how to open the trunk of a Peugeot 307cc, the convertible model, which has a faulty trunk motor, so, from the outside, you cannot open. The only way to open it is from the inside. See how we have done it. Now you are going to see that we press the opening button, which is at 0 of 307 and it does not open. We have made an invention with a metal tube that we had, and we have adapted a screw to the tip. Look, it will measure approximately 165 to 170 centimeters, you see. We have raised the tray up a little and you can see that it opens very easily. It takes very little. Now, I'm going to show how the tube is. I'll show you. From the inside, from the part of the passenger compartment to the closure, the tip has to reach. This tip would enter the hole that the closure has. There it has a hole, and inside that hole has a yellow button. That yellow button that you inside is the one that you have to press. You have to press with a little force and you can see that it opens very easily. Well, if you have this problem, you already know how to solve it. Okay, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.